Hello and welcome to Not My Bathroom. I am currently working from California, traveling for work, and I literally have 5 minutes to do my makeup, and I thought it would be kind of fun to get on here and show you my low impact / not zero waste, but almost possibly kind of could be considered zero waste makeup routine. This is like gonna be less than 5 minutes, so I'm gonna try and go as fast as I can and just kind of show you what products I use and how not beauty guru I am. I have all my makeup literally just tossed in here, and then my makeup palette is just this Elite Cosmetics, really dirty currently. There's one makeup thing in there that hasn't magnetized to the thing yet, but anyways, it's just like all my eyeshadows and stuff on a magnet board. I probably should have cleaned this. It needs a dusting. But anyways, here we go. I'm just gonna do like a normal face of makeup. So I just washed my face with my little tiny face bar from Sage. I'll link everything below. And then, so just wash my face to get like everything off. I just got off the airplane. And now I'm going in with Grown Alchemist's face moisturizer. This is in an aluminum tube, so when you're finished with it, you can cut it open, clean it out, and put it in your recycling. The only plastic bit on here is the cap. So I love this stuff. It's really light, so sometimes I'll go in and apply 2 layers once the first layer is absorbed. But since we don't have time for that, I'm just gonna rub this stuff onto my face. And yes, that gives me a nice base to work off of. It kind of helps all my other makeup melt into my face nicely. Next, I have my NYX, what is this? Total Control Drop Foundation. So this is the only vegan foundation I found recently that is in glass, and I can always reuse this little dropper bottle. Lovely. It's in shade Nude. There, I'm not sure what's on camera and what isn't. If I'm on camera, am I on camera? Hello, if I stand here. Maybe that's better. Okay, so anyways, I just do like literally a few drops of this. It's very concentrated and buildable. Do some of this on my face. Maybe one up there. Ooh, drip down the nose. And that's it. Beautiful, right? And I'm ready for work. I just use my fingers and kind of rub this stuff in. I'm pretty sure that was too much. But yeah, the moisturizer definitely helps this blend into the rest of my face. I don't really have any spots, thank God, that I have to work on. Get that shit in there. Cover my eyelids, and we just work with our hands, the tools we were given by evolution. Yeah, my mustache is concealed. Okay, cool. Honestly, pretty flawless for using my hands. Sometimes I use a beauty blender, but my recent one was like literally disgusting and smelled so gross. I had to throw it out. And I don't think I'm gonna buy another one just because I don't need that. And it's probably just made out of petroleum. So next, I have this little jam jar full of loose powder that I have. I travel with this because it's small and it closes nicely, so I just dump a little bit of that into the cap. And I take a brush. Oh my, here we go. Dust it all over the face. Set that foundation, concealer, whatever the hell you want to call it. Face paste. Set the face paste. Cool. Great. Done. What time are we at? We've got a few more minutes left. Lovely. And I have my blush brush. And I'm going to dip that into my really old blush that's probably older than it should be, but who cares, you know? Probably expired, but it's not going on my eyes, so I don't worry too much about how old. It's probably really gross, but beauty guru community is cringing at me right now. But anyways, blush beyond. Okay, great. And then I'm gonna take my powder brush and just blend that in. Then I have this angled brush that I'm pretty sure is from like a paint set. But we're not bougie, so here we go. Angled brush into some brown eyeshadow, dust that into my brows. Luckily, I don't have to sculpt my brows too much. They're pretty bold on their own. They just need a little bit of filling. And then sometimes if I'm feeling crazy, I'll do a little dust of eyeshadow. Yep, there it goes. That's all. Little eyeshadow, here she is. Then we take, I think I left my eyelash curler. Did I? Oh, here it is. An eyelash curler. Pop these bad boys on like that. Pixie mascara that is running out. I want to try the Lush Zero Waste Mascara next. If you have any good zero waste or glass packaged mascaras that you know of, please leave them in the comments. This is the one thing, this and eyeliner is like the hardest thing for me to find. Sustainably packaged. Wow, and hey, this is the face. This is the face I usually rock on average days. Usually put on some chapstick, can't find it. My hair is back. This is the look, and now I'm gonna get dressed and head to work. I've got 5 minutes to be downstairs. Thank you for watching. I will list all the products below, obviously. That was like rapid fire. I'm not sure if you caught any of it. I will do a more in-depth video on my makeup routine and kind of go through all my products. And yeah, that's about it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed, give it a like, and if you loved it, sub it, please. Thanks. Put my rings on and get changed. Peace out, fam.